And here we go again, Apexmotoworks back with another one. Today's episode is a perfect example of why engine protection matters and how one small detail can cost you thousands. This is a 2018 Z900, mint condition, heavily modified, clearly loved and well looked after. But after a relatively light crash, things went very wrong. Because there was no engine protection, the impact went straight into the crankcase. The upper case got damaged, along with the right side fairings, sliders, footpack, bar end, mirror, headlight, screen and brake lever. We start as always with the engine. Drain the oil and straight away, that's not oil anymore. That's oil mixed with water. Time to strip it down. Everything that's in the way comes off. We need full access to the engine. So far everything is coming apart nicely. You can tell straight away the bike had low mileage and was properly maintained. Engine is now ready to come out. While we're pulling it, just a reminder, all of this could have been avoided with a simple set of engine guards. Engine is out and on the bench. And honestly, internally it looks great. But this is the problem. That crack in the crankcase. In this case, we decided to save the engine and replace the crankcase halves. And here it is, the new crankcase. We're transferring everything over from the old engine. And of course, the damage had to be exactly where the engine number is. Perfect timing. So here we go, brand new OEM parts. So this is what the old engine and the new crankcase halves look like before teardown. Alright, let's get into it. The teardown starts now. Engine comes apart, and this is where it gets interesting. Compression is strong, 13.7 bar across all 4 cylinders. No metal debris anywhere, gearbox is perfect. That water we saw earlier came from outside after the crash. Everything is laid out, inspected and cleaned. We didn't fully strip the cylinder head, no need. Endoscope check and compression test confirmed everything is in perfect condition. Now we're moving everything over onto the new crankcase halves, finally getting rid of that cracked section. New gaskets, seals, bearings, everything refreshed and properly sealed. Now we rebuild it. Everything goes back together to factory spec. And this is exactly why we chose this route. We can stand behind the work and give full confidence in the engine. Engine goes back into the frame. All torque settings followed properly. Fresh oil, coolant, everything ready. Moment of truth. Old broken crankcase still on the bench and we're ready to fire it up. And there it is. Runs exactly how it should. Smooth, clean, solid. Now onto the cosmetic side. The headlight had scratches, quick polish, and the result speaks for itself. We continue reassembly, replacing all damaged parts with new ones. And here's how the bike looks midway through. Engine sorted, structure restored, already coming back to life. After that, full wash. Every detail, every corner properly cleaned. Then dried and prepped for finishing. Just look at how this bike comes up after a proper wash. But we're not done yet. Back on the lift, and now it's time for the final touches. Final touches. Chain cleaned, lubed, full system check. And just like that, the bike is back. Fully repaired, fully sorted, like it never happened. And this is where it all comes together. First ride out and you feel it immediately. Throttle is sharp, engine pulls hard, full akrapovic setup sounds insane. Crisp pops on overrun, proper aggressive tone. Bike feels tight, planted, dialed in, everything just works. This thing is ready to go all out. Just not today. Moral of the story: engine protection isn't optional. It's the difference between a small drop and a full engine rebuild. Ride safe, and if your bike needs any work, book it in with us. See you in the next one.